Is it really possible to make money online? Do you have some skills? Three best ways to earn money online. The first one is by creating an app. If you are not a developer, you are probably looking at this money-making idea and feeling a bit stuck. Fortunately, there is a way to have an app made that doesn't involve any programming skill. So even if you don't have any programming skill, you can have your own free app. Then you can start making money by using this application. So these days, marketers are using freelance platforms to find affordable developers to create apps for them. Once app creates for you, then you can start making money by that app. When it comes to making money on your app, your best bet will be to add it on Google Play Store. Having a free app can help you make more than a paid app. With a free app, you can add ads or premium features to help you make money. Since the free app will attract a higher volume of people, it will be easier for you to upsell them. Then, as I explained before, even if you don't have any programming skills, but you can have your own app. So after that, you can easily start making money online by using this free app. The another way to make money online is you should have Instagram or Telegram or some other specific social medias. Then after you creating your account there, so you should try to get more subscribers by just releasing some content or in different ways. You should try your best to get more subscribers. And after that, you can earn money by using these platforms or by using these social medias. Actually, Facebook is also working for it. If you have a Facebook channel or if you have a Facebook group with a large number of a large number of members, then you can start making money by using these social media platforms, especially in Instagram, Telegram. Just many people are earning money by using these social media platforms. For example, let me tell you about Instagram and Telegram. So if you have followers on Instagram, if you have maybe hundreds thousands of followers on Instagram, or even if you can start making money by 20,000 subscribers. Actually, if your subscribers are more, it will create high opportunity to make money online for you. Then if you have this type of Instagram accounts with large number of followers, then you can promote the products of other people's, you can promote services of other people's or other organizations. Then this organization or these peoples will pay you when you promote their products or their services. Or just in short, can consider your Instagram account as a promotion account. Then you will promote the service or products of others, then you will get paid. So this is one of the ways which is so many people currently are using to make money online by using a social media platform. It's called Instagram. So it's easy for you to make money online by using Instagram. Also about Telegram, it works the same as Instagram actually. If you have a channel, if you have Telegram channel, then if you get more members on your channel, still you can promote products of other people's, you can promote service of different organizations, then you can earn money from your promotion. Firstly, what you need to do is creating a channel on Telegram. Then if you got followers, firstly you should try to get more subscribers or more channel members. After that, you can promote other people's products on your channel. Then you will be paid for that service what you offer, and this is one of the best ways also. And actually Telegram group will work for it also. If you have a Telegram group, so it will work also. So if you have a channel with thousands of subscribers or thousands of members, so different organizations will be interested to promote their products on your channel. So this is one of the best ways to make money online. Just by getting audience on your social media platform pages, you can earn money. And let's see the third way to make money online. This one is you can make money online just by do translation work. If you need to make money now, translation work is a fairly undeserved niche. You will need to be fluent in at least 2 languages to do this successfully actually. So if you are bilingual or majored in a popular language in school, this may be a great money making idea for you to try out. So many people or so many organizations will need people to translate for them. If they have something written material, then if they want to translate that, they will directly contact you. Maybe you will think that, at this time there are so many translation softwares or translation apps, then why they don't translate by using that app, why they will contact me or something like that. But no, they will not use those translation apps, since those apps are not perfect as human beings. So if you are fluent in some different languages, just translation work, doing translation work is one of the major ways to make money online. You will need to show proof of your ability to translate. If you have a language degree or experience of translating text, make sure to show samples of your portfolio, and most of the companies will require a translation test. Keep in mind that you need to be fluent in the language you are applying to be a translator for, so you can't use translation tools also. Then if you are fluent in some language, especially in some language which is really famous like Chinese, French, Arabic or English, just actually English will be necessary also, or like even some European language, then you might be able to work translation work, and you will probably get money online by using this way, just one of the 3 ways, which is called doing translation work. If you are really interested about this type of topics, just subscribe my channel right now.